Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to set up a proxy in the MultiBrowser browser. Start by launching MultiBrowser. Navigate to Settings. In the Proxy section, activate Manual Proxy Configuration. Enter your proxy details in the provided fields. For the Proxy Configuration script field, input the name of your proxy. Next, in the address and port fields, specify the IP and port of your proxy respectively. If you're using a personal proxy, scroll down to the username and password fields and enter your credentials. Below these fields, you'll find the extension options. Make your selections as needed. With these steps, your proxy setup is complete. Now head over to the live testing section. Here, select which browser you want to use for testing from the list and initiate the test. You are now ready to work through a browser configured with your specified proxy. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.